Oh, I need a spoon. Whoosh. Let me see, where's the cake? I don't know what is this cake. You see, something. Yeah. All right. Anyway, yeah, it was Tim's birthday a few days ago. Yeah, it's been a long time since the Manila tents. I still got sunburn in my face. Yeah, so Manila tents is over. There goes like one whole year of rugby till next year again. We didn't win. We lose by 2 points to the Mahalicans. The Mahalicans are the barbarian team for Philippines, so they collect like our Filipinos that lives worldwide and make a team. So they beat us in the final by 2 points. So yeah, rugby is over for the year. I mean, we still have the normal domestic competition to go. We lost one game and we still have like 2 or 3 more games to go. So yeah, I don't know what, I forgot what to say. Yeah, so I forgot what to say. Let me just zoom in. I've been hitting the gym I think 1 month now, 1.5 months, and I was going to the gym just for the Manila tens, you know, just to engage the shoulder and stuff like that. But I actually get like good compliment from people that, you know, I'm putting on weight, and weirdly people like when I put on weight. Let me just put this up a bit, somewhere there. Yeah, so weirdly people are complimenting me, said I put on weight and I look good, so I decided to stick to it. I think it's kind of an ego thing. Oh, let's talk about ego. Anyway, so yeah, Manila 10 sober. I've been hitting the gym. I feel good. I've been experimenting on some vlogging stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna release it. I have a lot of weird vlog that I do, but I never like put it out there. I feel like it will kill the mood of my channel, because there are some people who said that, you know, I should be more hyperactive in my YouTube way of vlogging. But you know, I'm in my 30s, man. I'm not in my 20s where I can go hyperactive and yelling at the camera and stuff like that. I'm in my 30s now. I love the most simplicity and, you know, low pace vlogging. So yeah, why is it's so hot? You know, Philippines is so hot, right? Yeah, I got sunburn. You can see, right? This is like my retrieving airline, and then that's like the color, my skin tone, right? And then all these, it's all sunburn. And even, should I remove my shirt? Yeah, just to show. It's so weird. Let me just show the burns. Wait, let me just zoom out. Yeah, so yeah, see that? Sunburn. This is my real skin tone, and all these are just tan from the Manila tans, and it's been 1-2 weeks now, and it's still here, and I love it. I actually regret that I didn't like do sunbathing, just to keep the color, skin tone, tan consistent. I should have done that. I decided to wear short sleeveless. Is it slop slip? Is it short? No, short sleeve is here. Sleeveless is not, yeah, okay, anyway, one of those shit. And yeah, this 10, this, yeah, I don't like it. Plus it's actually, it's okay also that I never actually take out my shirt even inside the house. I don't know, so weird. I'm very, very not conservative, but I don't like so anyway, and that's a story for another time. Anyway, I seriously don't, I just want to talk to you guys. I just want to talk to the camera because I'm weird that way. Yeah, I've been busy. I haven't seen the Solomon Island family, Sina and Ricky and the kids. Or I met Ricky and Alo at the field when we play frisbee on Tuesday, and that's it. I haven't seen them for the past 14 days or something. So yeah, it sucks. It sucks. And anyway, let me just, the cake, happy birthday to Timmy. I think he's like 50 now or 70 now, I don't know. He's 70 but look 50. I don't punch me in the face, Tim. I'm just trying to cover your private informations. Private parts. Anyway, I don't know what this cake is, but it's good. The club bought this for Tim. I don't understand. Is it Tim's birthday? I believe that Tim's birthday is yesterday, 26th. But I don't want to ask him because I don't want to be that bad friend who doesn't know the friend's birthday. But I don't think he really cares about his birthday that much. But I believe it's 26th. I don't know. And this cake is good, yeah. So the club actually bought the cake for Tim on Manila 10th, and it's been here in the fridge for the past days. So Timmy actually texted me and said, hey, there's also like chicken for barbecue in the fridge that's a few days. And Timmy said, hey, you need to go and just go to the house and cook some chicken and eat, and it might, the chicken might be ruined, spoiled, that word. Yeah, anyway, so that's why I'm here and I have nothing to vlog about, so I'm just telling you guys this story. Anyway, I know you're tired of my face, so I'll see you on the next one. I'm trying to do a better vlog, yeah. The sun is just hot and I'm super busy also, so I'm trying to make a more daily vlogs. Yeah, see you on the next one. Oh yeah, anyway, I just want you guys to see this. Like, this is my stand. This is my tripod. It's a box for the Marshall portable speaker, and then I think it's Jack Daniels, and then phone case, and then I just put this on like this. Yeah, see you on the next one.